Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
2010 F350. Customer states, no brakes. Yeah, I think you got that right on the money, bud. Yep, no brakes.
This customer had wheel alignment done and took it to this mechanic as they knew something was wrong. Both the bottom ball joints were like this. It's likely the oil in this Briggs and Stratton engine has either never been changed or someone added in something they shouldn't have, turning it into this mess. This customer requested an alignment and said the vehicle pulls in both directions while driving.
Yeah, dude, that's crazy. I've never in my life, I've seen a lot of shit in cars.
I've seen nests before. I just never seen the babies in it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what, 5 babies? 4 babies?
4 or 5.
I see 3.
I see 4. I think.
Baby squirrels inside a car.
Customer states, just balance my wheels. They must be completely insane.
Unless it was using oil, he broke straight attitude. No real attitude.
Customer states, just fix the wiring so the rear lights work.
Over.
Customer states, there's nothing wrong with my brakes. This customer came in complaining about a weird noise coming from their engine bay, and the mechanics found this when inspecting.
Look, all of them are doing it now. And it's making a weird ticking sound. And my key is in my hand.
Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.